Imagine it's Monday morning. You open your inbox, and there it is, 78 unread emails. Some need replies, others need nudges, and one of them, a delicate pushback you've been dreading. Now, imagine handing all of that to your AI assistant and watching the pile shrink in minutes. In this lesson, we'll turn ChatGPT into your email sidekick, helping you write better emails faster. Not just quick drafts, but high-quality messages that reflect your tone, your goals, and your voice. Let's start with the foundation, the anatomy of a high-performance email. There are 4 essential components. First, the goal. Why are you writing this email? Can the reader figure it out within 5 seconds? Second, the context. Relevant details without fluff. Think of it as a one-sentence summary that sets the stage. Third, the tone. This needs to match your brand and your relationship with the recipient. Is it formal, friendly, firm? And finally, the CTA, or call to action. What do you want the reader to do next? There should be one clear action. Here's a helpful analogy. Your email is like a GPS. It should clearly tell the reader where they're going, why, and what turn to take next. Let's move to the fun part, prompt patterns. These are reusable structures you'll use to generate emails quickly. Prompt pattern 1, draft from scratch. This one helps you start a new email from zero. Here's the format. Act as a role. Write an email to receiver that accomplishes goal. Include these 3 points. Bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3. Keep the tone your tone. End with a clear CTA. Example, act as a project manager. Write an email to the finance team that requests budget approval. Include the timeline, key benefits, and next steps. Tone, professional but upbeat. CTA, approve by Friday. Now let's look at replies. Prompt pattern 2, reply like a pro. Use this to respond thoughtfully and efficiently. Draft a reply that acknowledges their message, answers their question about topic, suggests next step. Tone should be your tone. Scenario: a customer asks for a project update. ChatGPT can generate a response that acknowledges the delay, provides the updated ETA, and offers a quick call. 2 prompts down, 2 to go. Prompt pattern 3, polite follow-up. Use this when someone hasn't responded and you want to follow up without sounding pushy. Compose a brief follow-up to my email dated your date about any topic. Be courteous, remind them of the benefit, and kindly request an update. Limit to 120 words. Tip: always paste the original thread into ChatGPT. It helps maintain continuity and context. Let's continue with the final prompt pattern. Prompt pattern 4, tactful pushback. This one is for when you need to say no, gracefully. Draft a diplomatic email declining request but offering alternative. Tone, appreciative yet firm. Keep it under 150 words. Think of it like saying no with a cushion, softening the landing while still standing your ground. For example, you might decline an invitation to join a meeting, but offer to review the summary or send notes instead. It keeps communication clear and respectful. Now that you've got your 4 prompt patterns, let's look at how to make all of this even easier with AI integration inside your inbox. There are 3 quick ways to connect ChatGPT to your daily email workflow. Browse Sidebar Extension. This lets you open ChatGPT alongside your Gmail or Outlook. You can prompt it in real time as you read emails. Gmail add-on, Chrome. Some tools add a Draft with AI button directly inside Gmail. One click and you're off. Snippet Library. Create a mini catalogue of your favorite prompt patterns and keep them handy in a document, sticky note, or tool like Notion. You can paste them into ChatGPT anytime you need. These make AI help just one click away. But even great AI drafts need a human polish. That's where the 90-second quality check comes in. Before you hit send, scan for jargon. Replace buzzwords with clear human language. Add a personal line, something genuine like, "Hope your conference went well." Verify facts. Double-check names, dates, and figures. Do a one-read test. Can someone understand your message and CTA at a glance? This quick review turns a good draft into a great message that truly sounds like you. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. Which of the 4 prompt patterns will save you the most time this week, and why? How might you adjust tone to better reflect your company's voice? And think about your last sent email. Which of the 4 anatomy parts was weakest? Goal, context, tone, or CTA? These questions will help you personalize your approach as you build your workflow. Let's wrap up. You've learned that every strong email includes a clear goal, relevant context, an appropriate tone, and a single CTA. You now have 4 AI-powered prompt patterns ready to help you draft, reply, follow up, and push back quickly and confidently. You've seen how ChatGPT can integrate directly with your inbox and how a quick 90-second review can elevate any AI draft to match your voice. Here's your next step. Copy the 4 prompt patterns into your AI Toolkit folder. Download the Email Prompt Practice worksheet and try drafting at least one message.
Open your inbox, pick a real email you need to write today and use one of the patterns to generate your draft. Personalize it, quality check it, then hit send. Track how much time you just saved. You're building communication muscle with every prompt. See you in the next lesson where we turn long meetings into sharp, bulletproof summaries. Let's keep going.